AI makes 3D design insanely easy now. All you need is a clear idea, a detailed prompt, and Meshy.ai will generate a clean, watertight 3D model ready for your Bambu Lab printer. Start by describing your idea with real detail. Instead of saying a phone stand, describe them. Materials, shapes, angles, and features you want. For example, a minimalistic geometric phone stand with matte surfaces, chamfered edges, a 20-degree viewing angle, and a cable slot at the base, the more specific you are. The cleaner the model Meshy will generate. Paste your detailed prompt into Meshy.ai and let it. Build a 3D model. Meshy creates solid, manifold geometry that's already optimized for printing. Rotate the preview, check the surfaces, and if something needs adjusting, refine your prompt with clearer physical details. Download the STL file directly from Meshy. The export is usually print-ready with no cleanup required. Open Bambu Studio, drag in the STL, and set it up for printing. Adjust orientation, supports, layer height, and infill. Your Bambu Lab printer will handle the rest with speed and precision. Send the file to your printer and watch your AI-generated idea become a real object. Test the fit, strength, and finish. Then refine your prompt or model if needed. Save your best prompts in a personal library so you can create consistent designs every time. This workflow turns AI into a powerful design tool and your Bambu Lab printer into a mini manufacturing machine perfect for creating unique, high-quality prints fast.